Now guys, I would like to show you how to use a random module in your code. It is one example. So we will, for example, toss a coin. So it means we will toss a coin and the result will be head or tail, because the coin has two sides, okay? Head and tail. So if I would like to write a Python code, simulate to toss a coin, it means I will import random and I will generate some random numbers because we have only two sides, or the coin has two sides, head and tail, so we need only two numbers. For example, 0 and 1, okay? Or it's up to you, it can be 1 and 2, it depends. I will write, for example, side coin variable, and now I will use the random which I imported here. So I will write random dot rand integer int, and I will generate 0 to 1. So it means it's included, so there will be 0 or 1 because it's integer, so the whole number. I will check it, print side coin, and now I will run it. So you can see now it's 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and so on and so on. Great. And now if the number is generated by random, it means that we can make a condition like if else statement. If, and the condition will be side coin is equal to 0, so we will print head, else we will print tail. So it depends. If the side coin is 0, it simulates that we, or the result of the coin toss is head. If there will be a 0, if the side coin will be 1, it means this is false, so this will be print. So it simulates that we toss tail. So we can try head, 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 tail, 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 head, 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 and so on and so on. Okay, I hope you understand. Maybe you remember that we spoke about ternary operator when we discussed about if else statement. So ternary operator is a possible how to make a short code for very simple condition or very simple if else statement. So this is very simple if else statement, because we have here something very easy or something very short. It means it's only one line and it's all about print something, print something. So we can do it like this. So I will write so give me the head option if side coin is equal to 0, else give me tail. So, and we need to store the value, the result value, in some variable. For example, I will use result. Okay, so I will print result, and this is absolutely the same like this. I hope you remember that we spoke about ternary operator. So I will run, and you can see tail, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 and so on. So you can see that this is absolutely the same like this. Okay, and I hope now you understand that in some cases it is very important to have knowledge about random module.